How to add numbers in Foodpanda. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add numbers in Foodpanda. First, open the Foodpanda application on your mobile device. Now, tap on the three lines. Due to some privacy issues, my screen is blank, but I'm still able to guide you through the steps to add a number. Navigate to the Profile or Account Settings section. Look for the Profile or Account Information option. Within the profile settings, you should find an option to edit or update your phone number. Tap on the option to edit your phone number. Enter your new phone number and confirm the changes. Follow any additional verification steps that Foodpanda may require to confirm your new phone number. Once confirmed, your new phone number will be updated in your Foodpanda account. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.